software might actually change your life. If you're a civil engineering and architectural student or even professional, then you must have found a need for a 3D modeling software. Well, I'm not a construction expert, but it's not too hard to figure out that most of these software are very expensive and difficult to acquire. The software I'm about to disclose might not be made specifically for the construction industry, but it's not too hard to see how it could be useful in this field. This software is Blender. Blender is a free and open source 3D creation software which is owned by its contributors. This means that Blender is free forever. Yes, I said forever. They literally have it written on their website. According to ChatGPT, Blender can be used for the following purposes: architectural designs and visualization, building information modeling, construction animations, modular building techniques, precision modeling. So, that said, would you use Blender as a construction professional? Let me know in the comments.